Hi there. Welcome to our YouTube special on Face Yoga with me Naveen Sharma and Mansi Gulati. Our today's topic is very interesting. Many of us are interested in it. All of us talk about aging, right? So one thing is very clear. We cannot really reverse our age. What we can do is slow it down. Our today's session is all about that. Mansi has curated a wonderful session for us. So let us quickly go through it now with her. Mansi, over to you.
Face massage are really good. It is excellent for increasing blood circulation. It helps to reduce blemishes, dark spots. Really good for boosting your collagen too. Face yoga is a combination of exercise, breathing exercise, acupressure, massage and mantra. Combine these 3-5 things properly and see the amazing result. Whatever oil you are using, make sure your oil is not sticky, and after the massage do wash your face with cold water. So let's start. First we'll do chanting. Close your eyes, sit in Dhyan Mudra. Relax yourself, relax your mind, your body. Inhale deeply. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Let's evoke the energy with help of 3 Omkar chant. Inhale. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Relax yourself. Release with a beautiful smile as always. Let's start our massage session. Always light massage, thin muscle, light massage. So let's do it. Oil should not be sticky. I'm just using few drop of oil. Rub it first properly. Make it warm. And apply it all over your face. And neck too. Never ignore your neck area. Let's start. First we'll start with the forehead massage. Hold here, arch of your brow. We'll do the inward massage. Always light pressure, don't put any pressure. It helps to increase blood circulation. Close your eyes, relax yourself. Chain the side. Side of your forehead, rotate. reverse. Center of your forehead. With your two fingers, push it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Let's do this again. Forehead, arch of your brow. Chain the side. And while massaging, make sure your skin should not get dry. If you want to apply more oil, moisturizer, up to you. Side of your forehead, rotate. For me, facial oils are good. You can use moisturizer too. Okay, now close your eyes, eyeball. Just rotate your eyeball with index finger. Relax your eyes. And release. Now eye massage. Try to do eye massage every day before you sleep. Let's do with index finger. Here you're not going to put any pressure. Medium pressure. No 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 pressure. Medium pressure. Now let's do the circular massage. Side of your face, corner of your face, make a circle. Close your eyes and relax yourself. It helps to release all the toxins. Make your skin more attractive and vibrant. Okay, after the circular massage, let's do upper cheek massage. 3 finger. Place your 3 finger properly and massage. 1, 2. No pressure, just light pressure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Relax yourself. Let's do this again. Face circle massage. Do it properly. Close your eyes. Three finger, upper cheek. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, now your laughing line. Make a circle. Trace your line. Start from here. Close your eyes. Relax yourself. Now the center of your upper lip. This is very important acupressure point to hold here. Okay. Rotate. Look up. Press your jaw muscle in upward direction. Okay, now let's do the neck massage. Neck massage first upward. Front neck always upward massage. Okay, now second, center of your neck, make a circle. Reverse. This is excellent to activate your thyroid gland. Side of your neck, downward. This is excellent to release your all the stress. Let's do the tapping one. Let's do the tapping. Finger tapping is excellent for increasing your blood circulation. And release. So how are you feeling, Naveen?
It is quite relaxing. This is very good, actually, quite refreshing in terms of the massage. It has increased the blood flow, I guess. So I'm feeling quite energetic as well.
Okay, it's
Good.
excellent for boosting your collagen too.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So nice. And Mansi, there is one of our user, Shivangi. He's a super user. He actually has asked you a question. What would be the right age to start face yoga? And how does it really help us, in tightening the sagging skin?
Okay, honestly speaking, I have started face yoga from age of 9. 8 to 80, anyone can do face yoga and you are going to see huge difference, like you are going to see amazing result with face yoga. And yes, with the face yoga, due to gravity, your skin get droopy and pulled. With face yoga, it helps to increase blood circulation, boost your collagen, and very, very good for strengthening and toning your facial muscle. It is amazing.
That is so nice. So Shivangi, here is your answer. I hope you get this and you can continue to practice it. It really doesn't matter from 8 to 80. Anybody can do this and it'll help you in terms of tightening the sagging skin also. Mansi, over to you for rest of the class.
Okay. Now let's do the last massage. Rub your palm, generate heat. Keep it on your face, hold there for 1 minute. And release. Relax yourself. Sit in Dhyan Mudra, close your eyes. Let's do the simple Kriya. In simple Kriya, we are increasing the speed of our breath while inhaling, exhaling. So, eyes closed. Let's start simple Kriya. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Relax. Eyes closed, relax. Your mind, body, face is relaxed. Be there for a minute. Rub your palm. Keep it on your eyes. Release it very slowly and smile. Hope you enjoyed today's session. Please do wash your face after this with cold water. How are you feeling, Naveen?
Very relaxed, Mansi. Thank you so much for such a wonderful session. So guys, this was our today's session. Do let us know in the comment section how did you find this session, and if you're looking for more sessions like this with Mansi and me, you know what needs to be done. Download the CultFit app, explore it. There is a 7-day face yoga program. There you can watch all the different videos on different topics for face yoga. So see you there very soon. Until then, this is Mansi and Naveen signing off. Namaste.